Virtual Beings News Summary August 16, 2025. AI-driven virtual beings are being deployed for instruction and clinical communication. Self-introduced AI avatar tutors that reportedly improve thousands of students' test scores within a 25-minute interaction, in a program developed with Israel's Center for Educational Technology (CET), a non-profit edtech organization focused on digital solutions for learning. Australian classroom coverage described a teacher creating an AI avatar of himself to extend communication beyond the school day, positioning the avatar as a scalable stand-in for routine student engagement. Medical researchers detailed a patient who regained communication 18 years after a stroke by decoding neural signals into text, speech, and facial expressions rendered through a digital avatar, demonstrating a concrete therapeutic application of avatar-mediated expression. Complementary work in virtual reality exposed participants to human avatars and measured immune responses to avatar proximity, indicating that avatar interactions can elicit physiological effects relevant to health and behavioral research. Creator-facing platforms are standardizing virtual presenters and synthetic on-camera talent. HeyGen and Synthesia are positioned as turnkey AI presenter studios for generating human-style hosts without live performers, enabling rapid production of presenter-led video content. HydraLab's system generates lip-sync talking head videos directly from text or voice prompts, targeting creators who need studio-grade outputs without filming. APOB AI's AI influencer generator lets users design, customize, and animate virtual personas for social monetization, lowering the cost of launching synthetic brands. In advertising production, Creatify acquired Gala Labs and now offers brands a library of roughly 700 AI avatars for social video generation, tying avatar catalogs to programmatic creative pipelines. Narrative tooling is also converging on character-centric pipelines, with Charisma.ai presented as an AI-driven storytelling platform for building interactive characters across entertainment formats. Meanwhile, virtual performance culture continues to scale, with Plave cited as the first virtual idol group to stage a concert at Seoul's KSPO Dome during its Dash Asia tour, marking a venue milestone for fully virtual performers. The VTuber agency ecosystem remains fluid, exemplified by Indonesian agency Evren publicly parting ways with talent Gabriel Abissia and co-founder Deva Malik Ibrahim, underscoring governance and talent management dynamics unique to virtual YouTuber operations. Game production and live operations are integrating AI character stacks. NVIDIA's Avatar Cloud Engine, ACE, is reported as the middleware powering conversational and voiced NPCs in multiple Asian titles, including franchises such as PUBG and Mir 5, indicating deployment of cloud-served inference for in-game characters at scale. On the content side, Tencent is described as leaning on AI-powered NPCs and procedural generation to sustain engagement in long-tail titles, aligning character behavior systems with economy and retention-focused design. Platform features, world-building infrastructure, and safety policy are converging around avatars and companions. Meta's Imagine Me invites users to submit personal images to generate AI avatars for Instagram, formalizing self-avatar creation inside mainstream social workflows. The same platform has faced scrutiny over internal rules about how AI personae present themselves to users, highlighted by coverage linking a Big Sis Billy chatbot persona to an offline incident and citing policy that allowed AI avatars to pretend they were real, centering risk management and disclosure practices for avatarized agents. For metaverse-style distribution, Xsola's metasites for Unreal creators provide session architecture and avatar support aimed at helping studios ship persistent multi-user experiences without bespoke back-end builds. Companion agents are also moving into adult content territory, with Shy's Grok 4 introducing named companions such as Ani and a spicy video generator, while consumer groups including the Consumer Federation of America have urged the U.S. Federal Trade Commission to investigate potential harms, emphasizing governance challenges for AI companions operating as synthetic social actors. The Roblox community features active avatar-based creativity, with one example being an artist offering to draw users' avatars, whether original creations or cosplays sourced from known references, ranging from quick sketches to more polished illustrations. Within the Roblox Developer Forum, development discussions include creating tools like Avalog, a simple and themable avatar catalog designed for browsing and customizing avatars, as well as addressing technical adjustments in the platform's avatar settings, such as refining collision and humanoid interaction systems. On TikTok, VTubers continue to generate diverse entertainment content, with creators such as Michimo Kiwi, Ringo Riot, and Papa Mutt sharing comedic, behind-the-scenes, and expressive clips, often highlighting community and jokes and model-specific animations that showcase the flexibility and personality of VTuber models. The film space includes the AI-driven project Virtual Human, written and directed by Yara Amar, positioned as the first AI movie before the release of VO3, suggesting the use of AI-generated or AI-assisted virtual human characters within cinematic storytelling. Execute AI Software's Nevronics digital human platform enables the creation and deployment of highly lifelike digital humans, intended to bring realism and natural interaction to customer-facing or enterprise applications. Academic research explores AI-powered digital human avatar influencers, DAIs, which are virtual characters designed with human-like appearances to operate as social media personalities, with an emphasis on how their realism impacts consumer engagement. AGen maintains a platform for virtual human creation and deployment, supported by an active user community discussing subscription models, referral incentives, and developer documentation responsiveness. Google AI Studio is promoted as an all-in-one creative partner, enabling users to transform prompts into visual content and applications, suggesting potential use cases for virtual being generation in creative and business workflows. In China, digital humans are becoming part of broader AI adoption across urban environments, such as the deployment of a digital human in a busy metro station, signaling their integration into public interaction and cultural infrastructure alongside other AI-driven initiatives like drone deliveries and autonomous transport. This reflects a growing public familiarity and acceptance of virtual beings in everyday environments, positioning them as both service agents and cultural touchpoints. In Shuwei District, the Environmental Protection Bureau launched the upgraded Shu Xiaomei and Shu Qiaoling virtual digital humans, version 2.0, that enable real-time interaction between real people and AI-driven virtual beings. Users can pose various environmental questions to these digital humans, which respond with precise answers drawn from a curated knowledge base, demonstrating their application in public service information delivery. In the healthcare domain, a company's cloud medical and education division developed a weight management large model powered by a digital twin that integrates the diagnostic and management experience of over 20 experts, enhancing personalized health monitoring and management. In the gaming sector, DNF Mobile reintroduced classic characters, including avatars linked to Sword Art Online, SAO, where each character has two distinct appearances, one representing their in-game virtual avatar, and the other, their real-world school uniform, highlighting the blending of virtual identity and narrative continuity. Additionally, at a Korean comic convention, the big-headed character Dasha Chun gained viral popularity when its performer, Nakano Hito, fully embraced the character's eccentric personality, leading the official team to recognize and leverage this performance style as a key engagement strategy for future events. Alibaba Cloud supported Josai technology in upgrading its e-commerce live streaming capabilities with AI digital humans, targeting the highly competitive retail live commerce market, particularly for standardized goods like fast-moving consumer products and daily necessities. Alibaba also launched the AI try-on app Looky, which generates personal digital doubles that can instantly model a wide range of fashion styles, from Mellard to new Chinese aesthetics, creating a social try-on ecosystem with potential integration into e-commerce platforms. Shenzhen Yehu Cultural Technologies secured a patent for a glasses-free 3D visualization-based digital human interaction method and system, advancing commercial applications in content production. XR production involving digital humans, as described by He Xiaohua of China National Nuclear Corporation, requires precise adjustments from XR asset creation to on-site filming to ensure visual realism, technological sophistication, and a strong sense of depth. In broader industrial transformation, an AI Digital Human Experience and Entrepreneurship Salon event promoted the integration of AI digital humans with real scene studios and digital tools as a comprehensive approach to accelerating digital transformation for brands and personal image building. A report by the China Securities Regulatory Commission highlighted that AI-generated virtual humans can display subtle but telltale flaws, such as abnormal blinking frequency, disproportionate neck-to-body ratios, and inconsistent lighting, warning audiences to critically assess the authenticity of virtual human presentations. In the metaverse context, a virtual biological chain composed of digital organisms, virtual environments, and user interactions is described as evolving naturally within closed virtual worlds, with increasingly complex algorithms allowing these entities to behave beyond the scope of simple programmed responses. Bola developed a custom AI digital human for the Chongqing Women's Federation, showcased at the Federation's conference, demonstrating its potential for institutional services and public engagement. In Tianjin, the city's long-term care insurance management guidelines referenced potential uses of digital humans in elder care and long-term care services. In Nanning, Zhongguang Digital Technology integrated AI digital humans with products like AI-enabled mice and keyboards, indicating cross-domain applications in smart healthcare and assistive technologies. In Changsha, AI digital human news anchors use high-precision speech synthesis and facial motion capture to deliver broadcast-quality presentations, offering a credible and efficient channel for health-related information dissemination. In Macau, digital human news anchors have become a regular feature in daily and weekly broadcasts, with their behaviors pre-programmed and adjustable to improve interactivity and editorial control. Virtual idols, virtual anchors, and digital employees play a significant role in Macau's broadcasting and media commercialization, leveraging AI to enhance interaction and content generation. In Hunan, virtual anchors combine local cultural themes with AI technologies to enrich the presentation of news and entertainment programs. In Beijing, light field imaging and 3D cloud rendering platforms have significantly reduced the production cycle for digital humans, enabling faster deployment in film, performance, and creative industries. Bola advanced Chongqing's Jiangguan platform by integrating it with the DeepSeek Plus local knowledge base system and AI digital human services, supporting regional information infrastructure. In Hong Kong, the Startup Council partnered with industry to host a private AI digital human event to accelerate enterprise digital transformation. In Guangdong, digital human technologies have been used in cross-border growth cases, showing their value in international trade expansion. In Shanghai, the 2025 Global Ranking of AI Digital Human Interaction Companies provided guidance for enterprise technology selection and collaboration. In Jinan, the establishment of an AI industry alliance and a digital human platform offered foundational capabilities for digital transformation among local businesses. At the China International Big Data Industry Expo in Guizhou, digital humans were showcased alongside large language models, highlighting their integration with local big data industries for cultural and technological exhibitions. Shanghai Jiao Tong University released the Generative AI-generated 3D facial quality assessment dataset, leveraging GANs and diffusion models as promising tools for high-precision digital human creation and cultural heritage digitization. In Shandong, the Qilu Cultural Large Model was combined with a digital human platform to expand applications in local cultural preservation. In Beijing, public technical service platforms supported digital human production teams, fostering smart innovation in cultural and creative industries. Virtual anchors and digital human presenters in Macau and Hunan have improved the efficiency of brand communication, event live streaming, and content distribution. In Guangdong, a cross-border growth case demonstrated how digital human technologies can be applied to international trade promotion and brand building. In Guangxi, AI digital humans were featured alongside hardware product launches, creating an integrated marketing approach. Bola's AI digital human appearance at the Chongqing Women's Federation Conference also underscored the role of digital humans as focal points in brand events. VTubers, animating characters, reality, and disability characterizes VTubers as actor-operated 3D, anime-like characters on YouTube, and analyzes how variations in embodied versus figurative acting define VTubing as a mediated performance practice, rather than an automated system, situating the phenomenon within platform-specific creator culture. Exploring the role of AI anchor image news content congruency in news viewing experience among Gen Zers, a mixed-method study in the Chinese context examines synthetic news presenters and reports that while AI anchors seek to boost engagement for Gen Z audiences, their effectiveness remains contested, indicating format and expectation constraints on acceptance of virtual on-air personalities. From virtual influencer to self-sustaining brand, navigating the transition to creator marketing defines virtual influencers as computer-generated personas and proposes assessing audience response via parasocial constructs such as perceived intimacy, outlining how to evolve a VX into a durable creator brand. Navigating the transition to creator complements this by noting evidence that some VTubers have amassed millions of followers who engage passionately with the character, reinforcing the creator-like status achievable by virtual beings and mapping hurdles along the VX journey. Emerging AI technologies and virtual influencers, like Lil Miquela transforming how brands engage with customers, argues that exemplars such as Lil Miquela enable tighter message control, consistent representation, and new interaction modes in customer experience design. The disruption of influencer marketing, exploring the efficiency of AI-generated virtual influencers versus Human influencers compare synthetic and human creators on avatar-enabled personalization and cost dimensions to identify conditions where VIs may deliver efficiency gains. AI and consumer behavior, trends, technologies, and future directions from a Scopus-based systematic review contends that emotionally intelligent VIs and chatbots complicate brand-consumer relationships and require theory that treats AI characters as quasi-social agents. Fool me once, shame on me. The Importance of Digital and Social Media Literacy in a World of AI Content reports audience heuristics favoring VIs due to lower perceived stakes and lack of an agenda, clarifying attitudinal drivers behind adoption. The impact of virtual influencers on social media, driving customer engagement and strengthening brand loyalty in the Indian millennial market links VIs to higher engagement and loyalty among Indian millennials, providing market-specific evidence of efficacy. Social media in B2B. Recognizing and properly utilizing the new channels documents early B2B use of virtual influencers to intensify brand impact among targeted professional audiences, indicating diffusion beyond consumer entertainment. Toward a world-building framework for video games foregrounds the avatar, the player's virtual being as the cognitive lens through which the game world is perceived and maintained, positioning virtual embodiment as the core interface for play even in theory-driven analyses without specific case studies. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon.